Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you trading long short and how you can use our platform to make trading long short or relative value strategies or pair trades, whatever you want to call it. So the objective of this platform is to help retail investors to monitor pair trading strategies. Now, pair trading strategies can be a patience game. So it can take a while for you to either enter into a trade or exit a trade. That's because we are waiting for both companies in the strategy to reach key levels. Now, in trading long short, we help you monitor these levels. This is our base page where you build your strategy. You can pick two tickers, a ticker long in the portfolio and a ticker short in the portfolio. Ideally, you want companies that are very similar to one another in terms of capital structure, business overall, etc. So you can see here the example that I've put in is Udemy and Coursera. If you want to check details regarding one of these companies, you click here to see more details and you can see when's the earnings date, how many days till the next earnings, what's the sector, the industry, the company name, the cash, the total debt, the enterprise value. So you have a lot of information regarding each one of these companies. Additionally, we give you implied volatility for each one of them. This is basically the 30-day at the money implied volatility, the beta, the market cap, and then you can just manage the custom ratio, which tells you how much shares do you need to buy of each one of the tickers in order to have a good relationship to maximize the number of times that the strategy reaches the mean. Okay, so the more times they go to the first standard deviation and they go back to the mean, the more times you can make money, basically. So what we can see here is that the relationship between Coursera and Udemy, it's very strong. Since the IPO, you can see that Udemy and Coursera, even though they both went down significantly since they started trading, we can see that they're always hand in hand. So our objective with the pair trading strategy here is to wait for the name to get to a key level, like the one we're seeing right now. So what we're seeing now is that Coursera, it's relatively cheap when compared to Udemy. So what we expect is that eventually we're going to go back to the mean. So what do you want to do in this case, considering we are here? We want to buy the undervalued name and sell the overvalued one. So here you want to buy Coursera and you want to short Udemy. And you can see, because we're going long Coursera and short Udemy, that the 1,000 euros that you used to buy Coursera, you finance through the short selling of Udemy. Okay, so basically the net investment of this strategy, it's basically zero, right? Because we're using the same amount of dollars to buy one with the amount of dollars we received to short the other. So this is the strategy. This is how you make money. You sell when you're on top and you buy where you're on bottom and you exit the strategy in the mean. So the thing here is, this strategy, it's close to an entry point, but there are many strategies that are not at an entry point. So you could come here to trading long short and you could add this strategy to your watch list by clicking in the alert button in the bottom right of the screen. So you click here and you can add this strategy. But we have other strategy added. Let's see what other strategy do we have here. So you can see here we have Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Coursera, Udemy, Match, Bumble, PayPal, Square, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Let's take a look at Match, Bumble. So we both know that there are both companies in the dating industry. Let's check this one. So you click here and you can see, if you click here, you can see in percentage the relative value between both of them. Now you can see there is a big difference in the chart, and that's because the stock moved significantly lower. So what we see here is that both stocks went down significantly. So in terms of absolute differences, the absolute differences are very small at the end compared with the beginning. But if you click on the percentage, you can see that this difference is not that big because we're considering percentage-wise. So what we can see here is that this strategy is close to the mean. What does this mean? It means that you can't do anything in terms of relative value strategy right now. So you have to wait. So if you need to wait, what we do here is that we created this tool for you to monitor these long shorts. So you click add alert, you submit And now you can either receive an email or an SMS whenever the strategy reaches critical points. You can come here and you can manage your critical points. You choose what you want to put here, right? So the objective here is for you to add as much pairs as you can, and instead of monitor these trades every day, you can just add them to our watch list and wait for a message telling you it's good to go in which side of the trade you should go in. So because you watched this video until the end, we're giving you, on top of the 15% annual discount, we're giving you another 15% annual discount with the code TLES 2024. Okay, so any questions, feedback, suggestions you want to leave us in the comment section below. Join our Discord to talk with the community and share your best pair trading pairs. And we'll see you next time.